In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add custom map backgrounds in Oracle Analytics and Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Importing custom map backgrounds extends the range of available map styles, allowing workbook authors to tailor geographic visualizations to support your specific business needs. In this scenario, I'm a sports equipment sales analyst. I have a map visualization with quantity ordered by city, and I want to add a satellite map background to my visualization to display sales data over familiar, recognizable regions. Oracle Analytics provides default map backgrounds available in the Properties panel under the Map tab, including Oracle Maps and Oracle Data Viz. However, I want to use a satellite map to more clearly meet my business needs. I will need to import one as a new map background. To import custom maps, I will close this workbook, then use a navigator to access the admin console. I'll scroll to Extensions and Enrichments, then select Maps. In the Backgrounds tab, I see the map backgrounds that are currently loaded into my instance. I'll click Add Background and see a list of available map services. It's important to note that depending on the service I choose, I will need to input different information in order to create the map background. In this case, I'll select Google Maps. In the General tab, I can add a description of this background, indicate the account type, and the API key for my account. I can also set the default map type to satellite to match my intended use. In the Preview tab, I can see what this new map background will look like. Then I'll click Save and my new map background is added to the list of available map backgrounds. To test this background, I will return to my workbook. Under Properties, I will open the Map tab, and in Background Map, I can now select my newly added Google Maps background map from the options. I'll then change the color assignments for quantity ordered so it's easier to see. Now that I've added a new map background, I can use it to enhance my sales chart with geographic context for my analytics consumers. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics and Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.